Okay, today we're going to practicing English by just walk through what I am studying now. I work on the course students. So this is just, it's not very difficult one, but let me try. So this is the one I show you guys. So what children wants us to do? Children last letter. Create a function last letter that takes a word string and return the last character letter of the string. So going to this is doing, so input gonna be string and output gonna be string of the last character of the input. So we see here they want last character. It means like if we invoke last letter with the argument hello, we're going to return the last one. Is mean gonna be O, and this is okay. So what we're going to do is here we return our word that we know can access index by last index gonna be basket, not basket annotation and word dot length th -1. Run it. Yep, this one. So let me copy this one to my code, the last index. Last index of last letter, not last index. Was it last index? Where is last index form? Last letter, last letter. So let's make copy all here. Write down here. So let me try to show you full screen. No, can click to. Oh, can share only one. To select multiple windows, set that. To screen. And let's see. No. Channel. That's okay. Can share only one. Which is sharing. This one, I think. Okay. So let me place now. Okay, we done this one, and we move to the next one. What they want us to do. Okay, children, passing argument. Examine the course given to you. Determine what argument must be passed into is x1 and is x2, respectively, to obtain an output of true or both for both and pass in the argument accordingly. So, okay, so we check first what they want input. Gonna check what is input be. Input gonna be input's gonna be string No, 1 second. Input is highlight gonna be function. Callback. Let's see that. Optimize the code give to you. Because we have to look at the code they already give to us. And then here we see we have variable constant x as equal to 3. And we have two functions. The first function is x1 and the second function is x2. So what they want us to do is we invoke a functions one. So let's see. And okay, first we declare functions. We declare constants variable x assigned to value of number 3. Okay, so the input gonna be function as increment, and output gonna be boolean, and then the expected value should be true. So we now have constant variable x. This is set it to number 3, and then we declare function declaration is x1 and is x2, and then we move to the line 14. We have constant variable 1 and set it to equal, and set it to evaluate of calling function is x1. So we're going to here, and then it's x equal to 3. So what is this? 1 choose. Let's try to run. Expect to be 2. So what gonna be? Okay. They want us to add number here. And x. Yes, x here. And x. And we invoke 1. So it just make me confused. 1 second. X is equal to 5, maybe 5. So this is, should be number 5. Now x equal to 8 should be number 3. Just like weird. It's not really what I expect to do. Maybe. Okay. So this is working. Okay. So we move to the next one. Let me save it to my code. Passing argument. Just not sure it's correct. So let me say passing argument 5 and 3. Yeah, that's correct. This is kind of, I think too much maybe. It's not difficult, this one. Maybe I didn't. So the important is you need to understand what they give you to do, right? Challenge, right? So that's I need to work on because I don't really understand sometimes. Okay, make it done and move to the next one. Okay, challenge invoking functions. So let's see what they want us to do. examine the code given to you. Try to make the core variable equal to Jerry, Camus, George's, Elias, with only string invocation to the function Jerry. What? This is quite difficult for me. Once again, invoking function. Invoking function. Not difficult. Let's try. Function. So that's what they want us to do. It's my string. So let's see. Set function, call function. Okay, we declare a variable list. Scores is set it to the empty string, and then we declare 3 or 4 function declaration which have parameter string, and then when we call it, call is will set it to the average of Jerry call functions. So let's try. Okay, yeah, we stuck with the last time, so I forgot going to do some. We see we examine the code by, we see here, we declare variable calls with empty string, right? So then when we set the variable call to set it to evaluate our calling functions, set it to evaluate of the result of invoking function Jerry. So we're going to see at first, because we call Jerry's function, we're going to Jerry function first, and then we will set string. Okay, string now will be empty string because we add argument is called with empty string. So we will set string with equal to Jerry. They want us to see Jerry. So then we will send Jerry string to the invoke function of the next one is going to be comma, and we send string to comma. And then we here, because we call the comma, so we're gonna set string comma as set type to add comma string into it, to the string, and then we're gonna invoke functions. The next one is gonna be George function. So we're going to return George function. We're gonna send string to the George function. Then we move to the string George function, gonna say string. Now string of George gonna be Jerry, comma, and we want to add George to the string. And then we're going to the return calling our function Elena's, and we send string to Elena's, and then we're going to return that string with That's Elena. I think it should work. 1 second. Okay, let's try to run. It's working now. So let's change this one. Okay. Move on. Thank you today so for watching me. So I will do the other one later.